All right, this is introduction video part 2, and what I want to do in this video is I want to talk to you about your lecture videos, and I want to talk to you about where you go to watch your lecture videos, etc. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way now. You probably are already aware of this fact that you're watching this video, where the videos are located, but all of your videos is located inside of Canvas. You know how to log in. Go in through jcjc.edu, log into Canvas, and when you log into Canvas, you click on the Intermediate Algebra course, and when you click on the Intermediate Algebra course, right there in front of you will be all of the lecture videos. It'll be the introduction videos that you are currently watching, followed by all of the lecture videos for the entire semester. Now, as I've already told you, I give you every single video, I teach it to you just like you're sitting in this class. So, we've had students say, Mr. Rain, I just don't like the online. I want to come to class and do the face-to-face. The video is the face-to-face. The video is exactly what I would be doing if you were sitting in this classroom. The only difference is you can't stop me at any moment in time and ask a question, which is unfortunate. But other than that, the mathematical content is exactly the same. For the sake of not boring you to death, I'm not going to say it 1,000 times over. I'm just going to say it once or twice here, and it's this. Watch all of your videos. Watch every single video that's out there. The reason is because that is where I teach you how to do everything. I would also suggest that you take notes off of those videos. When you're watching those videos, you take those notes down just like you're sitting in this classroom. Now, that may require you to pause the video. You say, well, you worked that example too fast. Pause the video and copy it down then. So, you have a luxury of being able to stop me when you're watching a video. And so make sure that you watch all of your videos. Now, in the last video, I gave you an outline of what you should be doing each day. And if you'll remember, or if you'll just look back, because I told you to write it down, this is what you're supposed to be doing the first week or week and a half of class. So on Monday, you should be doing section 1.3 in your homework. Now, I have not shown you where to go do your homework yet. Right now, we're talking strictly about the videos. So you go into Canvas, you'll see the introduction videos, and then you will see section 1.3 video. In that section 1.3 video, it will probably have multiple parts to it. So it may be section 1.3 part 1, section 1.3 part 2, etc. But regardless, whenever you watch those videos, watch all of the parts. So if 1.3 has part 1, part 2, and part 3, you watch all 3 of those parts before you go to your homework. And remember, whenever you are watching your videos, make sure that you take notes of every single example that I write down. Here's the reason. When you get over into your homework, you've got all of your notes right there in front of you. So you don't have to go back to the video and try to figure out how I told you how to do that example. So you'll have every one of those examples. So I would suggest that you keep 2 completely separate notebooks. One is you keep a notebook of nothing but for notes. And then 2, keep a notebook of nothing but for your homework. So I'd keep 2 completely different sets of notebooks. But watch your videos. Last semester, I had a big pot of students, and I told you this in the first video, that was taking this course. And there was a pot of those students that they started out watching the videos, but as time went on, they completely quit watching those videos. Every one of those students that quit watching the videos failed the course. So those videos are there for you. That's the purpose. It is to help you get through the homework. Now, let me just say something that's very obvious, but I want to say it anyway. And it's this. It is absolutely true that you could get someone else out there to do every bit of your homework. Does that happen? Yes, we are aware that that happens. But they can't come take your midterm and can't take your final. And remember, your midterm and final count 60%. So you're not doing yourself a favor if you let somebody sit down and do your homework for you, because you still have to take the exams. So you have got to learn how to do this material. So watch your videos. Watch all of your videos for a section before you do the homework. So I would watch all of 1.3 videos, 3 or 4 videos, and then I would go to the homework. I'll talk about that in a second. Then when you do that, this is what you're supposed to do the next day, on Tuesday. Now, I would suggest that if you finished early and there's a day or two that you got extra time, I would strongly suggest that you work ahead. One of the reasons is this. You're going to find out that if there will be certain times, particularly on the weekend, that MyLabs Plus goes down, and it's down for 10 or 12 hours. Well, if it's right before your midterm or right before your final, and it goes down for 8 or 10 hours, you're not going to be able to work on your stuff during that time. So try as best you can. Try to work as far ahead as you can within reason. So you can work as fast as you want to work. So the first 2 or 3 days, you're off 12 hours that whole day. I'd watch as many videos as I could, and then I would do my homework. So, but watch your videos before you do your homework. Please hear that. Don't try to go to your homework without watching your videos. I can tell when you view a video, I can tell that you viewed the video. I know if you viewed the video or not. And so make sure that you watch the video and make sure you watch. I can, tell, if you watch that video, and not only that, watch all the video. Just don't click on it and watch it, 2 or 3 minutes and then back out of the video. And take notes off of your videos before you go to do your homework. Okay, now, so that's information about the videos. Now, I will also be making a video. I will also be making a video of your midterm and of your final. So make sure that you watch for those along as well. I may not have those initially for you, but when the time comes, I will have those out there for you. All right, so now let me talk to you about what you need to do in order to do your homework. All right, so we've talked about videos. Now let's talk about homework. Okay, so what I want you to do now is I want you to pause this video, and I want you to write this website down right here. It's www.jcjc.mylabsplus.com. Make sure you put an S right here. What I'm telling you now is I'm telling you where to go to do your homework. Your homework is not housed inside of Canvas. Your videos are in Canvas, but your homework is housed inside this website. I would suggest that you use Google Chrome. That's usually the one we have the most success with. So go in through Google Chrome and then type in this web address. And when you do, it will take you to the homework site. Now, in just a minute, I'm going to connect to the computer so I can show you what that will actually look like once you're connected to that site. I will probably do that in the next video. But before I do that, let me talk about a couple of other things. Once you log in, once you get to where you're going to do your homework, I want to encourage you again, make sure that you are doing your own homework. It's not going to help if you let someone else do your work because they can't take the test for you. So there's nothing wrong with getting help with homework, but make sure that you're doing your work yourself and make sure that you're doing it after you have watched your videos. Okay, so I'm going to go to video number 3 now. And when I go to video number 3, it's going to talk to you. I'm going to talk to you about how you access your homework. Of course, I've just given you the website. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like on the computer screen as well. So, all right, so let me pause right here. This video's a little short, so we'll stop here and then we'll go to the homework video.